Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paradise Peters if you did not know, but I'm not going to keep you long. I just kind of want to come in and talk about what I want to talk about. Y'all, I'm so happy. Even though I've had this for a good minute, I've been being lazy. I've really been being busy, but I said I was going to do better with my YouTube channel. But yeah, so I brought you here today because y'all, I finally got me a camera. Let me zoom in on it. Okay. Yeah, I have had this camera probably for a month, but I never played with it until recently. But it's not in this box. I took it out. I just kept the box because I don't know. I just kept it. But anywho, y'all, I have the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. Yeah, I'm so excited. Y'all don't understand, especially since I've been playing with it and I kind of figured it out a little bit. So this probably will be my last time filming on my phone. And I kind of felt like me buying this camera meant, Paradise, you got to really do something with it now. You can't just sit around no more and say, oh, I'm going to do it. No, you have an obligation now. Anywho, let's get into it because I've been talking enough. But anyway, y'all, here my baby go. Here my baby go. She's so pretty and sexy and black. But anywho, I actually got this camera off of Best Buy. I ordered on Best Buy, did the leasing program, paid it off in 90 days, so it's officially mine. But what I was gonna say? Oh yeah, I know what I was gonna say. But with it, the camera came. You got this because I got the little set for it instead of just getting a camera. I think regular price this camera is going for like $600 something. I put it over here, not really sure. But I got the bundle deal and it was on sale, so I paid $500 or so for this camera. The little holder right here. And inside the box, we got a charger for the batteries. You got two batteries. Here's one in here that I was charging, and the other one's inside of the camera. You got this to go on there to hold it. You know, you want to put it on your wrist or whatever the case may be. And you also got a memory card. You got one. What's the gigabyte on it? Let me see. Y'all could just read it off of here. Should have been on here. I guess it's not. Yeah. But anywho, that's all that came in the box. Now, I'm going to turn it on for y'all. Watch. If it come on, I hope they did. Okay. And when it come on, this is the back part of it. Hey, girl. Okay. It's really pretty. The screen flips up so you can see yourself. So when I'm like this, and I kind of want to make sure your girl looking good, looking good, y'all just flip it up and you can see yourself. It has a bunch of different features on it. I already set this camera up to how I like it, so I don't want to change it because I had to watch a lot of YouTube videos just to see how I like it. But on the top part, let me flip this back down. You can see you got your little different buttons on there. Try to make sure y'all can see it. And you can switch your mind. It's pretty much going to stay on the recording section instead of photos because I really want to use this camera just to vlog. I don't really want to do nothing else with it. But I actually started vlogging with this camera when my family went to Orlando. But y'all, when I came back, what ended up happening was my volume sounded so low on the camera. I just stopped vlogging because I was like, dang, they ain't going to be able to hear me when I upload it to my YouTube channel because, you know, I haven't recorded in a long time. But y'all, I got home, got my computer, and I put the memory card in my computer, right? And so when I did that and I played the video on that off the camera, it sounded regular. Ain't nothing wrong with the volume. So if you get a camera like this, ain't nothing wrong with your volume. Please record. I had learned it the hard way. But overall, I like the camera. It's easy to hold. I can put it in my purse. I mean, I feel like I can get it in anywhere. I do want to order like a case for it though, because I can drop this sucker and I'm going to be mad. But overall, I do like it. I can't sit up here and talk to y'all about like the lens and stuff. I'm not that detailed. I'm going to use what they brought me. But I did want to come on here and just show y'all I finally got a camera. Yeah. So, oh, you know what I will do? Because I wanted to kind of show y'all what it seemed like. I am going to record myself on this camera inside and outside. And I'm going to place it inside of this video so that y'all can see what it sounds like and what the difference might be. And I mean, I think my phone has great quality, but I kind of wanted something that I could take with me. And people get to calling your phone and knock your video off, and Ain't got time for that no more. Y'all, we don't upgrade it. We don't upgrade it, baby. So yeah, but this it lets out, you can set it up, prop it up how you want to do that bad boy. It's up to you. But like I said, it's a good camera. The only thing that I do want to do to it is get a larger memory card because I plan on vlogging a lot of stuff. I got about 7 videos that I'm about to record this week, so I'm gonna be a little busy. But y'all, I like this camera. It's a good camera. I know they came out with the Mark III, but yeah, Mark II does just fine, and it might still be on sale. I'm gonna post the link below where I got it from. I don't know if it's still on sale. If not, just get the camera, buy this separate. I also bought an adapter to go into my MacBook so I can transfer the stuff over. But other than that, like I said, I'm gonna post in some clips where you'll see me talking, hear me on this camera, see the difference, and you can change the settings on it. I might go in and show you a few of the settings. But yes, y'all, your girl has upgraded, so you should be seeing more content. So with that being said, I'm about to put the clip in. Okay, y'all, so here I am talking on my camera versus what you see on my phone. Let me flip it around so y'all can see. Hey, y'all. But yeah, this is pretty much what I have mine set to. You might have to go in and change some things around as far as how you want your setting to be, how you want your lighting to be. It just depends on you, and I might go in and do that because right here, it looks pretty good to me, but then when I go back and watch it, it might be different. Who knows? But yeah. So one more tip that I want to add in, pretty much when you start recording things on here, you can touch the screen to play it. Let me see. Play. Okay. And it'll play. So it's a little touch screen on here, and it'll pause it for you and all that good stuff for you to get out of it. But like I said before, I just wanted to come on here to show you all. I did upgrade my baby, so I will no longer be recording on my phone. Hopefully, if God's willing. But yeah, y'all, check out this camera. If you got any questions, go check out the reviews. I watched probably like 4 or 5 different people's reviews before I bought it, but I can say it's easy to work with, easy to take around, and it was a good sale to me. Okay, but thank y'all for watching my video, and stay on the lookout. Bye.